I think it is indeed an occasion of great pride as we see these little blooming math genius all stand before us. Just now we had seen a glimpse of it, so stand before us, all armed with talent, filled with confidence, shimmering with perfection, all set ready to create a new dimension. I would say hearty congratulations to all the winners. I'm sure all the winners are here. So hearty congratulations to all the little champs, their parents, and of course the churners of the blooming minds, the founder, director, Mr. Jinesh Gajra, and co-founder and director, Mrs. Jalpa Gajra, and the entire Walnut Excellence team. Hearty congratulations to you all.